We are at Max. It's February 22?
Ito po yung take-out.
23. Max Alabang. Lola Charity is having nilagang baka. I'm having half chicken. Joseph is eating basic chicken. Alex basic chicken. Josel is having bangos. Marian is having half chicken.
You want this? Look, this is good. This is beef. Ito mo beef.
Sige, kainin na ninyo. Para hindi, ano. Anyway, mauubos rin yan mamaya. Nilagang baka.